Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to resize Windows 11 icons. Please note that this tutorial is meant for first time users of Windows, as many of Windows 10 users might be knowing how to do it. On desktop, right click and choose the first option which says View. Then you'll have three options, which is large icons, medium and small icons. Or you can use the shortcuts as depicted. In order to change the icon size in the File Explorer, you can open the File Explorer and go to View and choose one out of all these options. So you have all these options and there are some options which shows details and a compact view with contents and so on. So that's how you change icon size in Windows 11. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. Until then, take care and stay safe.